Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best GPS drone under $150. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We rank the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, Eachine. Model number, EX5. It is equipped with 1406 brushless motors driven in 2S by 2200 mAh batteries. The autonomy, according to Eachine, is 30 minutes. The flight controller ensures flight stability with the help of basic sensors, with a GLONASS-compatible GPS, a vertical camera and an altimeter barometer. Its radio control, Mode 2 or Mode 1, in Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz, offers a range of 1 km. The device is designed for flights up to 120 meters high. It is a beautiful looking drone that has a premium feel and look and comes with a compact foldable design that makes it easy to carry around and great for traveling with. The drone comes with a pair of blue LED lights on the front that look like headlights, and if you fly this drone in the dark, it does make for a really nice spectacle. It has a 150 degrees field of view and the camera can be adjusted via the remote controller to get better viewing angles. Eachine EX5 drone built with 4K UD camera. Each picture ensures shooting 3840 into 2160 high-resolution images and videos, with 5G FPV transmitter, saves smooth 4K video at 16 frames per second. Play first-person vision 2.7K video taken by the drone immediately in your mobile device at 25 frames per second. Number 4. Brand name, Vimillo. Model number, L900 Pro. The L900 aerial photography drone injects powerful flight performance into a lightweight body. It can accompany you to travel at any time, with the easy-to-use app, to help you fly freely, create as you wish, and discover the beauty of the other side of familiar things. Flight assisted by GPS. Provides you with accurate positioning details for your drone. The drone will automatically return home precisely when its battery is low or the signal is weak when flying out of range. Never worry about losing the drone. Optical flow positioning. Fixed point height, and can shoot more easily and firmly inside. With 5G Wi-Fi function can be connected app. Take pictures or video, real-time transmission through the phone camera image. GPS-assisted flight. Provides you with accurate positioning details of your drone. The drone will automatically return to home precisely when its battery is low or the signal is weak when flying out of range. Number 3. Brand name, SJRC. Model number, F11S 4K Pro. Experience splendid 4K Ultra HD picture quality and 2.9K video for stunning clarity, high contrast, vivid colors. Bring amazing view sight. The camera with a degrees FOV lens and adjustable camera gives a broad view of your memorable moment. Equipped with upgraded 2500 mAh intelligent battery provides up to 30 minutes flight time. Gives you more fun. It comes with beginner settings to let you get used to, then you can use other functions further. Easy to fly for all levels. Intelligent flight features like follow me mode, tap fly, point of interest, and gesture shots make you fly like an expert. To explore the fun of the aerial film, just one click. It will fly itself and film your creative video. F11 4K Pro does come back home after losing signal as well as when it has low battery life. The return to home seems to be precise with a margin of error of somewhere around a maximum of 3 meters, which is standard for this price of the quadcopter. SJRC F11S Pro is portable and very easy to carry. It has a system of folding arms that allow you to carry it without inconvenience. These kinds of drones are much easier to handle compared to the larger and bulkier ones. Number 2. Brand name, ZLL. Model number, S608 Pro. ESC 6K HD wide-angle camera. The angle can be adjusted to 90 degrees by the controller. Connectable app with 5G Wi-Fi function, can take photos or videos and transmit images in real time through the phone camera. GPS-assisted flight, provide you with accurate positioning details of the drone. The built-in return-to-home function can ensure safer flight. The drone will automatically and accurately return home when the battery is low or out of range when the signal is weak, without worrying about losing the drone. Height hold mode. By setting the external air pressure, the quadcopter can hover steadily in the air, making shooting easier. You will record your beauty through gestures, break the old way of taking pictures and discover new things. The large capacity 7.4 volt 3000 mAh smart battery can produce up to 30 minutes of flight time. Number 1. Brand name, ZLL. Model number, KF102. The excellent KF102 quadcopter is here with GSP technology and a powerful brushless motor. KF102 is an intelligent drone, and it comes with a high-definition dual camera to allow you to produce high-quality content. This drone's for adults equipped with stable 2-axis gimbal camera which reduces blurring, provides better image stability. The 4K HD camera capture amazing pictures and videos which makes you enjoy any views from the lens. GPS positioning and auto-return function prevent your 4K drone lose in any situation, automatically fly back even fly out of control, lost signal and low battery.